it's Miss Blatt. Don't look at my hair. I've been running around and it looks like it. But I want to get back to the last bit of our book, Horrible Harry Cracks the Code. Remember, Harry was trying to figure out how the kids could win the golden star. And he found out that it was called the Fibonacci Code. The Fibonacci Code is a math code, and the cafeteria woman who was working the contest used that because she thought it would be tricky and no one could figure it out. But good old Harry, the second best detective in the whole wide world, he figured that out. Okay, here we go. Cracking a code beats getting a light-up wiffle ball. I nodded. Harry wasn't just a real detective. He was a real winner. A real winner doesn't need a prize. The next chapter is called the epilogue. Mrs. Funderburk used these Fibonacci numbers for her February fun. 5, 8, 13, 21. She was planning to make 1 her next number after 21, but Mary's tattling changed that. Mary waited 3 days before she tattled again, and when she did, it was to Mrs. Funderburk. Harry knows your special set of numbers, Mary said. He cracked the code. But he doesn't tell us until we're all lined up, and he never stands in the winning place. Mrs. Funderburk said Harry was an honorable detective, but she would no longer use the Fibonacci numbers. She was just going to pick a number out of a jar. Harry's reign as the world's second best detective only lasted 4 days, but he enjoyed every minute of it. So now I'm going to give you some little facts about Leonardo Fibonacci. Leonardo Fibonacci was a famous Italian mathematician who lived from 1175 to 1250. He recorded a unique sequence of numbers found in patterns in nature and musical chords. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. How did Mrs. Skookhammer teach Harry the Fibonacci? How did Mr. Skookhammer teach Harry the Fibonacci numbers? In the book Horrible Harry and the Dungeon, Mr. Skookhammer taught Harry about the Fibonacci sequence. He showed Harry things from nature like pineapples and pine cones that illustrate this number pattern. Starting with this sequence, you can figure out the rest of the pattern. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. You add the last 2 numbers, and the sum is the next number. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. And 8 plus 13 is 21. Can you guess which number comes next? Can you write the Fibonacci number up to almost 1,000? If you're interested, go to the following: www.suzyKline.com, who is the author, to find out the answer. So any kids who like math, you might want to do this. Have a great day, boys and girls.